Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Horlicks milkshake. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of Horlicks powder, 1 cup of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For that perfect frosty touch, make sure to have a few ice cubes on hand. These simple components are all you need to create a delightful and refreshing beverage in just a few minutes. Now, let's get blending. Carefully pour the 1/4 cup of Horlicks powder, 1 cup of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar into your blender. Next, add a handful of ice cubes to achieve that wonderfully frosty consistency. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. You want a perfectly smooth mixture with no lumps, so keep blending until it's just right. Want to elevate your Horlicks milkshake? There are many ways to customize it. Consider adding a half teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. For an even creamier texture, blend in a scoop of your favorite ice cream. Before pouring, drizzle some chocolate or caramel syrup inside your serving glass. Finally, top with whipped cream and a light sprinkle of Horlicks powder for a professional finish. Your delicious Horlicks milkshake is now ready. Carefully pour the smooth, frosty beverage into a tall glass. For the best experience, serve it immediately to fully enjoy its refreshing coldness and perfect texture. You can add a straw and a long spoon, especially if you've included any delightful toppings. This versatile and comforting drink is absolutely perfect for a quick breakfast, a midday treat, or a relaxing evening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.